If you're a new YouTuber or you're planning to start a new YouTube channel, or maybe you've started already but you feel like giving up already, yeah, this video is for you, because today I'm going to be sharing my own real journey on this YouTube platform. What happened in the first few months of me starting a YouTube channel. So in one of my videos I made mention of how I got to start YouTube channel. I didn't plan to start a YouTube channel. Yes, it happened in 2020 during the time of COVID. Everybody knew what happened that time. Many people stopped working. We were at home doing nothing. So I'm not that kind of person that stays idle. I like getting busy all the time. So one day I was just watching television and I stumbled on a video of one guy teaching how to start a YouTube channel. So I quickly brought my phone and started creating my own account immediately, because I don't normally wait or procrastinate. No, it's not my thing. So I started creating my own channel. After creating, okay, what next? No content to post. I don't have anything to post, right? So that time I used to go through YouTube. Many people, they do cooking, some people eat, some people post many things, some people teach. I was like, I don't even know, this thing is not for me. I'm that shy type. But at the end of the day, if I cook, I will just put anything I do, I will put without choosing any niche. I was just doing everything I can think of randomly. I was just doing it like that. But what happened? No growth. I hardly get subscribers, apart from my family members, my friends, and people that stays with me here that subscribe. I hardly get subscribers. I don't have anybody to subscribe. As in, the subscribers was not coming. The views, initial time, whenever I post, I will just share the videos to family members and friends. They will watch, but obviously they are not interested in that thing you're doing. They are not interested. I will be like, okay, at the time when I don't send to them, I will hardly get views. Maybe 17, 18, 20 views. It kept on going and going on like this, not until along the line I stopped, because I lacked content. I don't know what to post. I didn't know anything to post apart from when I cook. And you know, it's not all the time that you cook. Monetization requirements, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. I was like, when am I going to get all these things for me to get monetized? So sometimes I will lack content. In fact, I don't even have content to start with, because YouTube was not my thing. That it was not my passion. There is something that we call passion, something you have passion for. You are doing this thing because you are passionate about what you're doing. In my own case, it was not like that. So I was just posting everything and anything randomly. No views, no subscribers, apart from the family members that subscribe. No engagement. So at the time I felt like giving up. I felt like quitting, because I don't see the reason why I am doing what I'm not passionate about and I'm not even seeing results. So I felt like quitting, but one spirit in me was like, Calista, don't give up, because I hardly give up in anything I set my mind or my eyes on. I must achieve that thing. So I was like, I'm not giving up anyway. So I was watching other people's video and I stumbled on another person's video where that person was teaching about YouTube growth, how to niche down, how to do this, how to do that. I was like, okay, because according to the video I watched, it says if you are doing many things at a time, it might confuse the algorithm. The algorithm will not know where to push your videos to. Thereby, you might not be getting views, subscribers, engagement, and all that stuff. I immediately deleted all the videos I posted before about cooking and other stuff, personal stuff, and I started posting about one particular something again. I learned a lot of things. I learned that at least before you start a successful YouTube channel, you have to niche down. So I had to delete and pick something, and I was maintaining that niche. So another thing I went deeper and deeper and started reading about stuff on YouTube, the SEO, search engine optimization, how to upload, how to do many things, thumbnails, titles, subtitles, hashtags and tags, how to optimize your channel. So after watching all these videos, I was like, okay, this is where I was getting it wrong. So I now re-strategized. Another thing, I learned how to design thumbnail. In fact, I had to master it, how to design thumbnail, how to write description, because before I don't even go to description whenever I post videos. Before I don't go there. Yes, even if I go, I will just write subscribe to my channel, basta. So I learned all these things and I started creating. Before I started planning. In fact, I started many things. I started planning my videos, posting consistently. Then whenever I post, I make sure I optimize, because that's the most important thing. If you optimize, YouTube will now know whom your target audience is or what your video is all about. So you have to optimize too. All these things was where I was getting it wrong before, and I put everything in shape. And from that moment, I started getting views again. I started getting subscribers, because people, they like when you are maintaining one thing. Unless people that love you already, maybe you already have the platform before you come and open YouTube, anything you put out there, they will watch. But as a nobody, you don't know anybody before, you just started and you expect people to come and watch anything you post. No, you have to gain their trust before you see them focusing on your channel. So you have to gain their trust first. So from that moment, I re-strategized on many things. I remember that I was posting almost every day really after I changed that niche. One of my friends, she advised me that I should, if I can, I should post for at least 1 month. I should post every day for 1 month. I will see what will happen. So I maintained that advice. I posted for 1 month. I don't know anything about shorts that time. In fact, I'm not even sure if shorts exist. So I was posting my normal long video for 1 month every blessed day. So it kept going like this. I think after like 14 days or thereabout, one of my videos was able to hit 1,200 views. I was like, this is how it feels for your videos to go viral, because I would say that was one of my most viral video as at then, 1,200 views. So I felt happy. I was like, okay, this is really working. I was posting now. So I was able to hit that 1,200 views for the very first time. My subscribers was going up like this. I was like, okay. And let me tell you, if I were to start my YouTube channel over and again today, if I were to bring back, as we go back to my day one, that time, the first thing I will do is that I will not go for perfection, because it's very normal for your first, second, third, or even to your 5th video not to do well, or for you not to perform well while making those videos. It takes a video to go viral. Just like when I said one of my videos was able to hit 1,200. All those while I was posting, not that the videos are not doing well. Some are not doing well, some are doing well, because your YouTube is trying to get used to you, and your videos are trying to get used to the system. The algorithm is just learning your channel, whom your audience is, and where to channel your videos to. So some are doing well, some are not doing well. But that very first one that hit 1,200 subscribers, I took it as one of my viral video, and that was not the first video. So you don't strive for your videos to be perfect, no. And another thing is, it takes only one video for your channel to be known to people, or for your videos to go viral. Just one video. So even if you're not getting enough views or subscribers, or you're not meeting your target, keep posting, because consistency is the key. One day that one video that will blow your channel will be uploaded. So it's normal to grow slow. Always go to people within your niche to also learn. So all these things they help a lot. If you're just starting a YouTube channel or you just started not long ago, here is my honest advice to you. Number one, just pick a clear niche. Not when you post about cooking today, tomorrow you post about tech, next tomorrow you post about fitness, then the next day you post about another thing. You are confusing the algorithm. The algorithm will not know where to channel your videos to. Then optimize your titles, your description, your hashtag, your tags, and even your thumbnail whenever you want to upload a video. Don't just make a video and post it like that without optimizing anything. Always create a searchable content, evergreen content, value packed content that when someone comes in the next 10 years, that person will be able to watch that video and still learn things from it. You understand? Some content that will not fade. You understand? There are a lot of content that immediately you post it, after that day, tomorrow nobody is interested again to watch that content again. So another advice I will give is for you to post consistently. I have made mention of it before. Your consistency depends on what you call your own consistency. Some people's consistency is posting 4 days in a week. Some people's own is 2 days in a week. Some people once a week. Whichever one that is your own consistency, focus on it, because the algorithm is not waiting for you to come to post today, then travel and come back in the next 10 months and post again. The algorithm is not waiting for you. You understand? Once you leave your channel, both your viewers, your audience, and the algorithm, they will leave you behind and move to another person's channel. That is the simple fact. So always post consistent. Whatever you call your own consistency, just focus on that. Another advice I will give is for you to celebrate your little win. No matter what the next milestone you were able to achieve, celebrate it. Maybe your first 1,000 subscribers, you celebrate it. Any small milestone you reach is not easy. It's not easy to gain people's trust. It's not easy for people to come to your channel and engage in your content. It is not easy. So the little thing you were able to achieve, always celebrate. You understand? So, and another thing I must tell you is for you to be patient with your content, with your video, and with yourself. Be patient. Is all these big YouTubers, they started like this. They didn't just start today and blew out overnight. It is not done, because once it's, unless people that have had maybe 1 or 2 YouTube channels before, if they start another one today, there is a tendency that they are going to blow again, because they already have that audience. They already have those fans that are ever ready to watch whatever they post. But as a new creator or a new YouTuber, you have to be patient with yourself. Not when you post today, you're not getting views. You post tomorrow, you post for 1 week or 2 weeks, you feel that the YouTube is not for you. You feel that nobody is watching you. You feel that nobody is interested in your content, thereby you give up. No, it doesn't work that way. All these things, it happens to me, and it happens to almost everybody. Nobody is giving up. I'm not that type that give up easily. Whatever I want, I go for it, and I must make sure I get it. That is one thing with me. So in as much as that, maybe you're getting low views, low subscribers, you're finding it difficult to achieve those goals you need to achieve for your channel to get monetized. Don't quit. Don't give up. Continue. It takes one video for your channel to blow. That is the only thing I will need to tell you. So if this video gives you value, or if you learned 1 or 2 things from this video, please leave your comment on the comment section and tell me which niche you are going for, how your channel have been doing since you started your own YouTube journey. I want to hear other people's stories, because before I made this video, I already watched big YouTubers. They have similar experience. I was thinking it was only me. So all these things I'm saying is not about this channel. I have another channel that is already monetized too. So all this is about that channel. This particular channel I'm going to post this video on, I have a little issue with it because I changed niche. So obviously I know the problem, but nevertheless, Thank you for watching. Thank you for always coming back to watch me, this little girl. Thank you for always sticking with me on this channel. I won't take it for granted. For my returning subscribers, I won't take your likeness for granted. Lie, I no go do that. So see you guys my next one, and thanks for watching my video always. Calista signing out. Bye.